हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम है आयशा आरिफ खान और मैं जो भी कुछ करने जा रही हूँ अपनी मर्ज़ी से करना चाहती हूँ। इस पर किसी का दौर या दबाव नहीं है। अब बस क्या कहें ये
दहेज प्रथा हमारे समाज का कोड है और इसे हटाना बहुत आवश्यक है। When I used to be a kid, I wrote this in my essay on dowry. But since then, nothing has changed, neither in the essay's content nor in the society. Hi, I'm Vibhuti Singh.
And I am Ketan Srivastava. Today we are going to discuss about a deep-rooted evil of our society, that is a dowry system, which is to be considered as a tradition by a large sector of society. Now, we have to decide whether it's really an integral part of our culture or a curse in reality.
Dowry-related harassment and violence still make up a good percentage of crime against women in India. A 27-year-old woman died of starvation in Kerala. Why? Because her in-laws fed her only rice and sugar water. Because their dowry demand of 2 lakhs wasn't met. That's why she lost her life.
Flight attendant Anisha Batra, who jumped off her terrace because she was tortured physically as well as emotionally for dowry.
PhD scholar committed suicide because her in-laws were not ready for her to study.
21 lives lost to dowry every day across the India, and the conviction rate is less than 35%.
Numerous attempts have been made from time to time to throw light on this subject, like the recent fashion campaign Numaish by designer Zishan, in which he wanted to show us the true side of our progressive 21st century society.
Picture of Zishan's collection जो कि पूरी तरीके से सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल हो चुकी है. The picture features a young bride जो कि पूरे ट्रेडिशनल अंदाज में सजाई गई है, and she was pulling a cart with a groom sitting on a top. In his own words, accept her with love. An educated bride is a lot better than a billion currency. शायद यही मैसेज अली ज़ीशान द डिजाइनर पूरी दुनिया के साथ साझा करना चाहा. But the question remains the same.
We already have laws for this, like Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961, which intended to make both the receiving and giving of dowry an offence. Also, addition of 304B and 498A in the Indian Penal Code make dowry deaths a specific and non-bailable offence. तो इससे क्या चेंज आया हमारी सोसाइटी में? आज डाउरी के ट्रेडिशन में इतना चेंज आया हो ना आया हो, बट उसे लेने के तरीके में चेंज आ गया है. 2 टाइप से आज डाउरी ली जाती है, एक्सप्रेस डाउरी एंड इम्प्लाइड डाउरी. एक्सप्रेस डाउरी तो भाई एलईडी चाहिए, कार चाहिए, फ्रिज चाहिए, सब कुछ. और इम्प्लाइड डाउरी में आता है कि हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए, आप अपनी बेटी को जो देना चाहें दे सकते हैं, इसी की यूज की चीजें दे दीजिए और हमारी नाक नहीं कटवाइएगा, रिश्तेदारों के सामने हमारी इज्जत रख लीजिएगा. These are the ways जिसमें लोग आजकल डाउरी मांगते हैं.
Dowry deaths are found predominantly in most of the Asian countries, mainly in India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, etc. 2010 में भारत में 8,000 से ज्यादा डाउरी डेथ्स रिपोर्ट की गई, जो अब तक का हाईएस्ट टोटल नंबर ऑफ डाउरी डेथ था, which means in 1 lakh per woman, 1.4 deaths happened because of dowry. Mixed females dowry death account for 40 to 50% of all the homicides recorded annually in India.
The National Crime Bureau of India reported 7,000 dowry-related deaths in 2017. The number of deaths per day rose from 19 in 2001 to 21 in 2016.
Also, a poll done by the Thomas Reuters Foundation found that India was the most dangerous country for the women due to the high risk of violence. शायद हमारा ऐसा मानना गलत होगा कि यह दहेज प्रथा सिर्फ छोटे गांव या छोटे शहरों तक सीमित है. A Silicon Valley of India means the city which is known as a giant of techies. The Bengaluru has witnessed a rise of dowry cases annually. Domestic Violence Act has risen from 690 in 2018 to 739 in 2019, and the dowry death saw a jump from 48 in 2018 to 52 in 2019. The normal time has already been quite hard for the women, and this emergence of COVID-19 and nationwide lockdown has only worsened the condition. जून 2020 में प्रकाशित हुई नेशनल कमीशन फॉर वुमेन की एक रिपोर्ट के अनुसार टोटल 23,722 complaints were registered, out of which 3,783 complaints related with the harassment of married women because of dowry, and more than 300 cases were registered for dowry deaths. Problems which we need to understand. Most of the women in our society who is a victims of domestic violence seek help only after the situation has gone out of their hand. They should seek help as soon as they sense trouble.
The social status and respect of a woman's family is neither degraded nor affected by the fact that she reports about domestic violence. And we, as society, we need to understand that if we can't help or we can't aid these women or help them to come out, we should not make them a topic of our gossip sessions.
Most of the women are forced to return to their spouses even after facing a dowry harassment. Prominent concern is they are expecting to bear abuse and even cope due to societal pressure.
Dowry is being perceived as a man's right today. But is it really? A guy who might himself be a khota sikka, but he still has the audacity to ask for a wife who might be a golden coin.
ये सारे laws, ये सारे कानून जो कि women protection के लिए बनाए गए हैं, highly criticized भी किए गए हैं because of their misuse. According to the report of Times of India, approx 90,000 to 1 lakh cases are investigated every year, out of which 10,000 cases were found to be false. The trend is really worrying, not just because men are falsely implicated, but also because the case for women who pressurized for domestic violence and the dowry becomes weak.
Today, these laws are being misused. But would that make us against these laws? No, we must be against the misuse of these laws, because the cases that we discuss today are the ones that are reported. But there are so many cases, many cases that goes unreported.
It's shameful that in the year of 2021 we are still struggling with this social system, but the facts remains a fact that there is still a very good percentage of India following this system directly or indirectly.
आज की दीवारें कमरे की चीखों को बाहर नहीं जाने देती हैं और ऐसी बहुत सी चीखें घुट के मर जाती हैं।